Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
This video is for people using QuickBooks Online Accountant. There's going to come a time where you hire someone to help you within your firm, and then something happens, they outgrow you, you outgrow them, and you need to remove them from your accounting firm. I want to show you how to do that. So to start, I'm just going to click on the three bars in the upper left-hand corner, and then I'm going to go to Team. What I'll see is a list of all my team members. I just made a video where I added Thais for the purpose of making these videos, and now I'm going to remove her from my team. She's gracious enough to let me do this and just completely bombard her with emails, and I'm so grateful for it. So right now, Thais shows up as an active member of my team. On the right-hand side, I'm going to select Edit under Action. I can see her profile. I can see her access to my firm books. I can see her client access. Well, in this example, I just want to remove her completely. Thais is one of my friends, but not a person that works for me, so she doesn't need access to anything. So what I'm going to do is change her status from active to inactive. It says, do you want to make this user inactive? They would no longer be able to access anything for your QuickBooks. I'm like, yeah, that seems way easier than unchecking a bunch of boxes. In this example, there's only one box because I added her in my sample. But if you enter the land of make-believe with me, it makes more sense. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. It automatically updates her and makes her inactive. When I look at my list of active team members, Thais is no longer on my list. Huge thank you to Thais, and thank you all for watching. If there are any videos you'd like to see me make, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm happy to make videos that are geared towards the bookkeeper, as well as videos geared towards the small business owner. Leave a comment down below and let me know how I can help you. Thanks and have a great day.